When the dryer door opened, the light should turn on and the drum should stop spinning, but that did not happen. I thought maybe the little light bulb inside the drying compartment was dead. I checked the bulb and it was in good condition. The next thing for troubleshooting was the door switch. Maybe I have a faulty door switch. Before doing anything, it is very important to disconnect the power source to the dryer. Pull the plug from the wall outlet. To access the door switch, the first step was to remove the lint screen and these two screws from dryer lint trap slot. I don't want to accidentally drop the screws down to the slot, it would be a disaster. So, I covered the slot up with masking tape first before loosening these screws. The next step was to open the top of the dryer. The top was secured by two front plastic rivets, one at the front left, the other at the front right corner. It is very difficult to open it. With a metal putty knife and a flat screwdriver, try not to damage the dryer white paint. I was able to open it with some efforts. I opened the left side first and inserted a piece of wood stick to the gap so that it will not come down and engage with the rivet again. Then I opened the right corner. Once the top was fully opened, I could visually locate the door switch inside. Now open the door, there are two more screws. Once unscrewed, the door switch could be popped out of the place. Disconnect the door switch wire harness and remove the door switch from the connection. The door switch is a simple on-off mechanism that prohibits the dryer from operating when the door is open. This simple diagram shows exactly what it does. This dryer door switch has part number PN3406107. It is a 3-wire switch white in color and has 3 metal prongs, called terminals, extending out from the body of the switch. These 3 terminals are called common terminal, or COM, the white wire, the normally closed terminal, or NC, the blue wire, and the normally open terminal, or NO, the red wire. With the door opened, the red and white wires from the switch should not have continuity. If it does have continuity like this one from my dryer, then the switch is faulty and needs to be replaced. I got the new replacement from Amazon for about $6. Again, I used the multimeter to test the switch for continuity. Begin by setting multimeter to measure resistance at a scale of Rx1. Touch each tester probe to the red and white terminals. It should receive a reading of infinity, i.e., the needle pointer should not move or stay at the leftmost scale of the meter. While the probes are still touching the switch's terminals, press in on and hold the switch. It should receive a reading of 0, i.e., the needle pointer should move over to the rightmost scale of the meter. The test shows this new switch is good. Installation is easy. Now the dryer is as good as it used to be. That saved me $100.